What's going on, YouTube? So as you can see, it's raining outside. It's raining outside. It looks terrible outside. It does not look fun. It's not sunny and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm about to teach y'all, or I'm about to explain how to do donuts, controlled donuts. Know how you're doing a perfect slide, 360 the entire time. And a Mustang GT 2015. I'm trying to get more names for my car, but I can't. But yeah, I'm just about to show y'all how to do a controlled donut in a Mustang, because I used to do it in a certain type of way. You know, just put it in sport, hit it, turn it, and the car, like, I was not in control. After the car started spinning, I just lose control. The tires kick and lock. Like, I didn't even know what was going on. It was switch gears. It was just, I don't know, just so much was just throwing the car off, the bounce of the car from the back, the way the engine felt, the weight on the engine, like I don't know if you know what I'm trying to explain. If you've always tried to have a perfect slide like people have in car shows and like car meets, and like when people be goofing around and you don't understand how they do it and you've always tried to do it and it never worked out for you, I'm literally about to explain to you how to get this done. Easy as hell. I'm telling you, bruh. It's literally just gas and steering wheel, but you gotta set up your car a certain type of way. If you just hit the little sport mode, get the most power, it would slide, but you will lose control. The car's safety mechanisms and all of that will just kick in. It will try to, the car will think you're in an accident when you're really not, and it will just try to stop what you're doing or like do it in a goofy way, and you just gonna look goofy as hell. So I'm gonna show you how to do this and look cool while I was doing it. You could do this one-handed by the end of this video. I'm telling you, with like practicing twice, you could do this one-handed. I've done it one-handed, no hands, all of that. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm just nice like that. If you want to be nice like me, watch this video, share, you know what I'm saying? Like it, subscribe. If you like my car, like, subscribe, comment what you like best about it or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, share this video, let's keep this going. I just want to make a video showing how to do control 360s in my 2015 Mustang GT. Deuces. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna record a cold start. I'm gonna do it from the back, so it's louder, or so it's clearer to the camera. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but let's go. So we're gonna get close to the rev limiter, obviously. So I'm gonna drive the car in sport. No copyrighted music. I'm gonna drive the car in sport. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like cold, you know what I'm saying? There's that C right there. So I'm gonna drive the car in sport to the destination where I'm gonna be doing the slides and stuff, and hopefully it should be like at a warm temperature so I don't hurt the engine or nothing like that. But half tank of gas. Let's go. So we're at the location. We're in an empty parking lot. Not super empty, but it's like a lot of space where I could do this. So I think what I'm gonna do first is how not to do it. You know what I'm saying? Which is what everybody thinks is the way to do it. Not everybody, but most people that just get a high powerful car and just wanna have fun with it or whatever. First thing you do is, you know what I'm saying, put the car in sport. I guess I already have it in sport, put it in sport, and then hit that. When it's at Sport Plus, track, and then everybody goes to the traction control, turn it off, and then you think, yup, I'm at max power, traction off, that's it, I'm gonna start sliding. Now let me show you what happens when you do that. Okay, so I don't know if you realize, but my brakes are squeaky. I don't know if you realized, but it kept cutting power. First thing they did was cut power, and then it locked up the rear tires, so it didn't let me slide, and like it just kept being weird and like giving me power, losing power, giving me power, losing power. That's all because, let me show you real quick. That's because when you hit this, traction on, right? You hit it again, traction off. Traction is not really off, it's like different levels to it. So what you gotta do is hit this, which is your traction button, and I'll hold it for like 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, please do it, bro. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time. Hit the, it says traction control on, what the fuck? All right, so hit the traction button and hold on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Advanced track off. So the computer is literally dead at this point. The computer's saying, bro, if you wanna die. Oh, I thought I was a cop. The computer's basically saying, bro, if you wanna die, you could go ahead and die. Ain't no saving you, I don't care, do what you gotta do. If you wanna mess up your transmission, your tires, your everything, the engine, I don't care, do what you gotta do. And now it's just gonna, I'm gonna lose control, but now I have to control the loss of control. I didn't say that right, I have to cut that out. It's gonna lose control, so now I gotta control the fact that the car is not in control. So I gotta master the art of losing control and curve it. I mean, make the car slide and keep it in a perfect slide for a long amount of time. So I'm gonna do an in-car version of it, and I'm gonna show it from the outside too. And I'm gonna show you how to do it from the inside, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing and what it looks like from the outside. Make sense? All right, bet. Here we go. Don't be scared, bro.
I'm not here.
You not here?
Did you show me?
Did I
I'm
what?
not here.
Okay, that was bad. That was bad. I ain't done this in a minute. Let me start over. Oh! I forgot the most important thing. See, that's how not to do it. It switched gears, so it made me kick out the slide. That's what everybody does wrong in a way. So what you gotta do is hit this. So what I did was hit this right here. And now the car is in first gear. And I'm gonna stay in first gear and control when I wanna go to second gear. And that's when I'm gonna have like perfect control of the car. Literally. All right, here we go. Ready, babe? Are you close as fuck to my face?
No.
You sure? Okay, now I gotta drop you off outside and do a take 2. Stop squeaking. My tire's good? Put the camera on my tire. Tire's good?
No.
If you like what you're watching, leave a like, comment, subscribe. That's how you drift and slide a 2015 Mustang GT. And obviously I'm doing it in the rain so I don't lose a lot of track, tire, and all of that. But yeah, if you like what you're watching, leave a like, subscribe. This is my 2015 Mustang GT, and this is how you slide and control it. First gear, track mode, advanced track on, off, by holding traction control for 10 seconds, something like that. Never leave first gear because you don't need it. So yeah, all right, we out.